Hello my dear friends, welcome to my modern knowledge video class. I am Rajesh Jha. I am an agriculture student. That's why I have a specific knowledge about agriculture. In this channel you can see about modern knowledge, modern updated information, knowledge notes of all subjects of agriculture, traditional cultures, technical educations and IQ etc. In this video we will discuss about chapter 2 of agronomy is weather and climate. I am going to say something about agriculture because agriculture is the life of world. Without agriculture, life is not possible on the earth. Let's start our class. If you want to take complete information in this video, please watch the video from start to end. Let's start our class. Our first topic is weather. First we discuss about its definitions and its descriptions also. And our first topic is weather. Weather is a state or condition of atmosphere at a given place and at a given time. I repeat this definition. Weather is a state or condition of atmosphere at a given place and at a given time. And the next topic is climate. Climate is the statistics of weather over a long period of time. I repeat this definition. Climate is the statistics of weather over a long period of time. And our next topic is meteorology. Meteorology. Its definition is meteorology is a branch of atmospheric science that deals with the laws and principles as they apply on atmospheric phenomenon. I repeat this definition. Meteorology is a branch of atmospheric science that deals with the laws and principles as they apply on atmospheric phenomenon. Now our next topic is agrometeorology. Agrometeorology is a branch of atmospheric science or agricultural science that deals with information of weather and use of weather and climate for to increase the production of crops and distribution. I repeat this definition. Agrometeorology is a branch of agricultural science which deals with use of weather and climatic information to increase agriculture production and distribution. And our next topic is climatic regions of Nepal. There are 5 climatic regions in Nepal. At first, tropical, second, subtropical, third, temperate, fourth, subalpine, and fifth is alpine. I repeat this. There are 5 climatic regions of Nepal. First, tropical, at the Earth's surface 2000 meters above, and in this region, rice, wheat, barley, potato, etc. are succeed crops. And next is subtropical, 1000 meters to 2000 meters from sea level, and rice, wheat, barley, potato, etc. are also succeed crops in this region. And third is temperate zone. This is 2000 to 3000 meters height from sea level, and in this zone crops are succeed crops are rice, wheat, barley, potato, etc. apple. And next is subalpine. Subalpine is 3000 to 4000 heights from sea level, and in this zone rice, wheat, barley, maize and apple is also succeed crops in this region. And the fifth is alpine zone. In this zone the latitude is 4000 to 5000 meter height from sea level, and these succeed crops are apple only. And after above 5000 meters there is no human habitation. And our next topic is elements of weather and climate. There are 4 elements of weather and climate. I repeat, there are 4 elements of weather and climate. First, temperature, second, solar radiation, third, precipitation, and fourth is relative humidity. I describe about this. And first is temperature. The degree of hotness and coldness is called temperature. The degree of hotness and coldness is called temperature. It is commonly expressed in degrees Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. And next is plant can survive within 0 to 50 degrees Celsius temperature, and the best temperature is 15 to 40 for normal growth. And next is solar radiation. Solar radiation is the most important thing for plant, and in the absence of solar radiation, plant cannot grow because they cannot produce chlorophyll and they cannot provide food for photosynthesis. And next is precipitation. Without water, plant cannot survive. And precipitation is those water which comes from atmosphere. And the next is humidity. Humidity, the water vapor that can hold air is called humidity. And the warm air has more capacity to hold more water than cold air. And relative humidity is also important thing for plant. And our next topic is climate change. Climate change is a phenomenon due to the emission of greenhouse gases from fuel combustion, urbanization, industrialization, deforestation, and etc., resulting variation in solar energy, precipitation, and etc. And our next topic is global warming. Global warming refers to increase in temperature at Earth's surface from greenhouse gases, for emission of greenhouse gases. I repeat those definitions. Climate change is the phenomena due to emission of greenhouse gases from fuel combustion, urbanization, industrialization, deforestation, resulting variation in solar energy, precipitation, etc. And our next topic is global warming. Global warming refers to increase in temperature at Earth's surface due to emission of greenhouse gases, CO2, CH4, CFCs, chlorofluorocarbon, etc. Thank you for watching the video, and please like and subscribe this video for motivating me to upload more videos on this matter. And never miss to like and subscribe. Thank you.